Hello, my beautiful sunshines. It's Sunny Bunny here, and today we are going to be reacting to Honk and Goose. Now, I see Jack that posted about 3 videos of this, and it looks like you're walking around as a goose or a duck or something. I don't really know. I honestly have no clue whatsoever. But I am so sorry that I haven't been gone for like the past like 2 weeks. I saw that YouTube did an update where it doesn't let you count the number of subscribers you have anymore. Like for mine, it says 4.13K, so it doesn't show me. So it shows me like I have like 4,130 subscribers, but it doesn't show me like if I'm going up or down or anything like that. So that's a little weird. But thank you guys so much for all the positive comments and waiting for me to come back. Like I said, I've been in school right now and everything's just been all over the place. But I do apologize for that, and I will be trying to get videos up as soon as I can. Oh, excuse me. And yeah, so let's see what this Goose game is.
Oh, yes! Top of the morning to you all!
Oh,
yes! Welcome to my humble abode with me, myself, and I.
Oh,
how are you
that's
doing, gents? Very good, I see. Yes.
Oh, yes.
Jubbly. Welcome to Untitled Goose Game by House.
Oh, okay.
I've been really excited about this game for like 2 years. I've seen it at PAX years ago. Just brush my teeth with my finger. I've been really excited about this game. It looks absolutely bonkers. It looks so silly. You control a goose and you go around terrorizing people. What else do you want out of a video game? I don't know what else I want out of a video game except fun, joy, and laughter. It's loading something. Press space to honk. Oh, honk, honk. Hello, honk. Hey, hey.
Oh!
Yes!
The
animations are actually really good. Double click or click to move. Oh, okay. Well, I don't need this then.
Aw.
Get out of here, you smelly controller. Thinking it owns everything. You shut up! Kyonk, kyonk.
Uh-oh.
Ooh, bells. I want the bells.
Back bells.
Is that my plan? Double click to run. Oh, yes. You're all going to get messed up by a goose.
This
is ridiculous. I love it.
Cute.
Have any of you ever gone up against geese before?
No.
I'm Irish, so wildlife is just running around all over the place anyway. But when you go out into the wild and you see a goose out there, they'll honk the ankles off you, bro.
Really?
Oh, yes. Eat boot. These boots are made for walking, and I'm made for booting. Bend down to pick things up off the ground. Ooh, yes, I want a can.
Can.
I'm the coolest goose around.
Look at this little whoa. It's like, I own everything. I'm the most awesomest goose in the world.
Yes. I want ball.
You want ball? Go fetch.
Okay, I'm just running in circles. This is delightful. I love this.
It's so cute.
Who out there is not smiling right now? There's no way you're watching this video and you're not smiling.
That's
because this is delightful.
Yeah,
this is
it
peak gaming.
Unless
this is exactly what video games are about. How do I throw?
I don't know. Okay.
Oh.
Yeah, you just dropped.
I don't.
Oh.
Hello? Can I?
Hello?
How do I?
Oh.
Oh, hell yeah!
Oh.
Jeez. I'm a goose on a mission. I'm going to destroy the world.
I'm going to fly.
X to spread your wings. Oh, this is delightful.
Oh, it's so cute.
I actually feel like a goose. Who out there from House just sat down and was like, you know what? You know what the market needs?
What?
Geese.
Totally.
Don't get me wrong. I'm absolutely thrilled that you did.
It's so cute.
But the fact that you made a whole game about geese.
Oh my gosh.
Is just amazing. Can I fly? Geese can fly south for the winter. Maybe that's the whole point of this game. Maybe it's like Journey. Maybe I'm like a salmon swimming upstream. Maybe I'm a goose trying to make it south for the winter so I don't die. Was Mr. Bean here having a picnic?
Ooh.
Have any of you ever seen that episode of Mr. Bean? It's amazing.
No.
Sandwich.
My sandwich.
I have sandwich now. This is my sandwich. None of the rest of you can have my sandwich. This is my sandwich. Hello, yonk, yonk, yonk. I'm Goose. Yonk, yonk, yonk. Oh,
Soggy sandwich.
Soggy wet sandwiches. No one likes them. Haha. Take that.
Clean off the
Geese
apple.
have been far too oppressed over the years.
There we go.
It's time to fight back. Geese brothers.
And now I have a picnic in the lake.
I just ruined your whole day. Isn't that funny? I think it's funny. Oh God, can I mow the lawn?
Oh my gosh, that'd be
Can I
awesome.
just... Oh man,
Aww.
that would have been epic.
That
You
would
can
be
mow the
so
lawn?
cool.
Do some yard work, actually do some chores. Press tab to see your to-do list. What do I have to
Oh.
do? Get into the garden, get the groundskeeper wet,
Okay.
steal the groundskeeper's keys. I'm an asshole. We knew that already. I'm a goose. Ah, yes.
Ooh.
Oh, let's zoom in. Oh,
Ooh, hello.
yes.
Ooh.
Yes. Oh, chaos comes in goose form. You all thought that the
Look at
apocalypse
that
was going to come
waddle.
when, like, Satan rained fire down from... He doesn't rain fire down from anything. He rains fire from the ground. You all thought that that was going to be how the apocalypse came about, but no. Goose-pocalypse.
Goose apocalypse.
Okay, I can't go that way. Well, I
Aw.
could if I just flapped hard enough. Look, flap! Flap!
Nope, that's not how that works.
Flap your wings! Oh, do you think if I got two of these and I flap hard enough, I could take off and go back to Ireland? Hello?
Ooh, interesting.
Yonk yonk, I'm Goose. Yonk yonk.
Oh, hello.
Hi!
Oh no.
Hey, that's mine! Give it here! Huh. Get the keys. Get the keys from me. Get the keys.
Oh.
Ha-ha!
Got the keys.
Hey,
Aww.
my keys! Come here, you fucking groundskeeper. He's like, what the hell is wrong with that goose? Okay, I'm in. Hacker voice. I'm in. I have to get the groundskeeper wet.
Okay.
How do I make him wet? Do I
I don't
have
know.
to start taking off my feathers? Look at me! I'm ruining it! I'm ruining it! Do you like this?
Apparently,
I'm ruining everything!
Apparently,
I
he
need to
doesn't
do something
care.
here. I need to be able to get him over here, and then I can get him wet with the thing. Okay, he needs a trowel. I get the trowel. My trowel!
Is that what you call a shovel?
Maybe I could just be helpful. There you go.
Oh, he's just being
I
helpful.
just want to be a helpful goose.
Yeah.
I want to follow you around. Can you be my friend? I have no friends. All my geese friends left south for the winter, but I can't fly. See? No worky.
Oh,
Yonk yonk, I'm Goose.
I'm a goose. Are you surprised to see
No,
me?
gimme. Gimme! Don't hit me, jeez. I got your boots, bitch! They're my boots now. They love me. I'm gonna put his boots here, and maybe that'll make him see the errors of his ways. Can I pick up anything here?
Oh,
Oh,
got the flowers.
time to replant. No, he needs his watering can. No, my watering can. I'm the best goose.
And
Look at
it's
this.
mine.
Yeah.
It's mine.
Yeah.
It's mine. It's mine.
Okay, it's going
It's
right
mine.
here.
Okay. Now
I have a
you
plan.
Go. Okay, go
I
ahead.
have a dastardly goose plan.
Okay, go.
Oh my god, can you not... He doesn't turn very well. He's a goose, but he controls like a Ford Focus. Alright, come on. My evil goose plan is kicking into fruition. Yes.
Go,
Yes.
go,
Yes.
go.
No, get the boots.
Yeah. Get him
I
wet.
need to get closer though.
Get him wet. Yay! Good
I
duck.
got him wet.
Good goose.
Now you're gonna have to get naked.
Nah.
Ow.
Oh, still his keys.
Damn it.
Still
Damn
his
it.
keys. Well, he's turning it off. And now run with him.
I got him. I got the keys. I got the keys. No, you'll never take me alive. What's my next to do? Make the groundskeeper wear his sun hat.
Oh.
Rake in the lake. Oh, that's easy. Oh, wait, I don't actually have to do anything with the keys.
No,
Go,
you just
stay
have to
away.
steal him.
Stay away. Oh,
Aw.
dang it. Honk, honk, I'm Goose. You want some jam? You want some jam sandwiches? He lost his jam. I know where it is. You'll never find it. Honk, honk, I'm Goose. Bye. What you doing, bro?
I love this.
Want to be friends? Hey! I'm a nice goose. I do nice things for nice people. But you is an asshole. Honk, honk. I'm Goose. Honk. You want to be friend? I'm the secret goose. The one in the shadows. The one who will strike. Honk, honk. Okay, I need to get a way of, like, taking his hat or something.
Oh,
I need to make him wear his sun hat. And I can't turn up the sun.
hilarious.
Unless... Look at my little face sticking out. I'm so dastardly and evil. I also need to bring his rake. I need to put his rake in the lake. I can do it. I have the power. I'm such a strong goose. Later, bitch! Good luck raking your leaves now.
Rake in the lake.
Now he'll never find it. Can he nibble his ankles? Come here. Come here. Come here. Huh. I want to nibble his ankles. Come here. Ah! Goose attack! Come here! I'm an evil goose. Got your keys. No, I don't.
No, I don't.
What should I do? How do I get a goose to put a hat? How can goose hat?
How can goose
Something
hat?
I should type into Google. How can goose hat? No.
Because that's proper
No,
English.
I'm taking this.
I'm taking
this.
It's mine.
No. No. No, it's mine. Ah! You leave it alone. Damn it.
Aww.
Oh, I'll have my time in the sun, don't you worry. I'm stealing your carrots. Here we go. I need some jam for my sandwiches. I also need a pumpkin. I need this. This is something I need in my life.
Of cabbage.
It's going to be hard to sneak one of these out, though.
Oh, well,
But not if you're a goose. Look, I'm fast. I want to take my wings out. Give me this pumpkin. I want this pumpkin. One of my missions is to have a picnic. I'm going to have a delightful picnic as a goose. You're all invited. You can come out and hang out. I'm a nice goose to the people who are nice. Yeah. My apple. My apple. I earned this and I deserve this and it's mine now. I'm not doing anything. What are you talking about? I'm doing goose things.
Oh, it's funny.
I'm being a regular goose. Leave me alone. You suck, dude. Just let me be a goose. Oh God! Oh God! He's gonna find us out! Run, goose! Run! Take it to the lake! This is my house. This is my home.
Oh, well, you broke it.
I broke it. Okay, all I need is a thermos. If I can break a thermos down, I can have a pot of coffee. Geese love coffee. Trust me, I know. I'm Irish. I'm not doing anything. You don't see anything. Nothing's happening. Just go about your business. Just do what you want to do. You don't see anything. It's a regular old goose here. Leave, dude.
Leave.
Fine,
Dude.
I leave. I'll be the bigger goose. Got your thermos, bitch. I'm out. Is this all I need for my picnic? I hope so. Nope. Bring the picnic blanket. Oh, blanket. I need a blanket. Come on, blanket.
Oh no, bring two of the
Wait, is this not the
picnic
blanket?
blankets.
This is a picnic blanket.
No, it's not.
Of the goose's stature, he's just like, yes, you can fuck with me. Nobody can fuck with me. I'm a goose. I'll just do what I want. See you later. This is where the picnic is. Oh no! I wanted to have a picnic in the lake. Oh man, I have to bring everything over. All the way from right here. It's hard being a goose. Life is very difficult. Ooh, being in the water is awesome though. Okay. Scratch one jam, a sando, a thermos, pumpkin, an apple of course, carrot for fiber, and a radio. Beautiful! A nice little happy goose picnic. A new to-do list item. Make the groundskeeper hammer his thumb.
Oh.
I couldn't even get him to wear his hat. How am I going to get him to hammer his thumb?
I don't know.
Next thing you're going to be like, make groundskeeper reconcile with his father. These are impossible tasks, man. I can't do it. I'm a goose, not a mathematician. Oh.
Oh.
Yelp. Okay, I'll wait. and yelp. Yes, I did it. I'm a genius goose. I'm the best goose.
Oh.
I think I killed him. No, he's okay. Yonk, yonk! Yonk, yonk! Let me go! Yonk, yonk!
Oh my gosh.
Yonk, yonk, I'm Goose! I'm out! Peace! Yes! I'm a goose about town now. No one can stop the goose. This goose is going places. I want to see the world. I want to go on Broadway. I want to be a star. That's it, Goose. Take in all the information from TV. Assimilate the knowledge. If you understand the humans, then you can destroy the humans. Hey, England and Ireland are on this.
Really? Where?
I should put out Ireland, bye. Divil about it, you know. I'm just looking at the store. You have any Goose TVs?
No.
A Goose TV would be nice. This kind of looks like a Septiceye. I have your mail. I'm a delivery goose. Deliverer of death. Hey! Leave me alone.
Aww.
Damn lady chasing me. What do I have to do? Break the broom. That's her broom. I'm gonna mess that up. You can help me if you want. Do you want it too? Sorry, I went to Area 51 and this is what I got and I brought back with me.
Oh, okay.
Trap the boy in the phone booth. Oh, yes. Make the boy wear the wrong glasses. Make someone buy back their own stuff. Get on TV. Now, there's a mission.
Yeah.
Go shopping.
There's always one big one, it seems
like. So trap a boy in a phone booth and break his glasses and give him something else. Where's the phone booth? I got your plane. Where's the phone booth? I can't open this. How do I get... How to get boy in phone booth. I got your broom! Give me your broom! You ain't gonna sweep shit now, lady! This goose is gonna dominate the world. What if that's what ends up happening? The game just ends with the goose in like a president's office, owning the world. Honk, honk, I'm Goose! Can't use your brush to get rid of me now. I'm just... Oh, God.
Oh, God.
Stop. Leave the goose alone! The goose is nice! Love the goose! Be the goose, happy goose! Don't hurt the goose! The goose no hurt!
No.
The goose I'm love!
Yes.
The goose I'm honk! Honk, honk, I'm Goose! You want milk, Billy? You want milk, you little bitch? You want milk for your strong growing bones? Everybody will love you if you got strong bones there, Billy. You don't got strong bones, then no one would give a shit. My ball. Give me the ball. Give me the ball, Billy. No, he's afraid of me! Yes, fear me, Billy! Fear the goose! The goose is life! Run into the phone box! Go, Billy! Go! Where are you gonna go now? Mom's not here to save you! Get in that phone box! He's gonna call his mom. Mom, come pick me up. Kids are goosening. He's calling him. Help me! There's a goose outside! No, don't. Honk, honk, I'm Goose! You can't attack me! I'm the fearsome warrior! Leave me alone! Stop! God, you're so goosist! We're so gosh dang goosist in this game.
Aww.
Also, there's glasses here. Give me these.
My glasses.
I need my bifocals. I need to read. I need to read up on humans and how to kill them. Yeah, run scared, Billy! Your shorts aren't gonna save you. Wait, how do I get him to wear the wrong glasses, though? Maybe you can run him into something so his glasses fall off. Yolk, yolk! The end is nigh! We strike at dawn! Rise, brothers! Yolk, yolk! Wait, can I go in the store now? If I go in the store, can I be on TV?
Ooh.
No! No! I'm Goose! What a little bitch! I'll get you, Billy. I'm gonna get you on those pale knees. Keep running, Billy! This goose never tires! This goose is the death and destruction of the world! Go that way, see what happens. There's walkie-talkies in here. Do you want one? Call up your friends! You can't escape the torment, Billy! You can't escape the honkening! Got your walkie-talkie! I scared him with the walkie-talkie because I have one in my... Oh, that's funny. I wonder if I can leave one somewhere. Wait, what's he gonna do with it? Are you gonna pick it up? Maybe that'll knock your glasses off. Listen to it. Oh, damn it. Damn it! Listen to the walkie-talkie, Billy. Oh, I thought I'd knock him on his ass again. He fell over the last time, and if he falls over, I could just go up and go like, yoink, and steal the glasses from him. God, this poor dude. I'm chasing him everywhere. I don't think we should even be in this area. Okay, go back. I'm like a sheepdog. A sheepdog for people. It's not over yet, Billy. This is some sort of like traumatizing nightmare for this kid. Can I like nibble at his ankles and knock him over? Oh, I can! Ooh. Oh, I can pull his laces!
Ooh!
Oh, now he'll fall over. Yes! Now give me the glasses. Bye! Billy, I'm a nice goose. Look, there's your glasses. Look, pick them up. Your glasses! I'm a nice goose. Those are the wrong prescription! You're gonna read words slightly blurrier than you did before.
How dare you, you bad goose!
My master plan is coming to fruition. I'm gonna get on TV. They call that person again and they're gonna come out and try and save the day. But I'm going on TV this time. Yes.
Ooh.
Goose TV! Dear sheeple, wake up! The time of the goose is now! We need to destroy the humans! Everybody, fight back together! Rise, brothers! Don't let them silence you or your voice! Oh god, Goose Basket! Goose Basket, help! Help me! I broke it! I'm a goose in a basket! This is not how geese should be! Geese should be free! Geese should be nice people! Geese are the best people! Oh no! I think I legitimately broke the game. Okay, there we go. I got it! Never mind! Hold on!
Oh my gosh.
Stop freaking out! Stop it! I just want to go shopping. I just want to buy some groceries. It's been hard since Karen left.
Aww.
Stop! Why would you neglect me? Fine. If I can't go shopping, then you will. You like this plane, boy? You like this plane? You think it's yours? Nuh-uh. Now it's part of the store. It's part of the store. You can't have it anymore.
Oh no.
If I can't have vegetables, you can't have toy. Let me play. Okay, wait. Is that even going to work? Is she going to put it back?
Hopefully.
Yes. She's like, oh, this toy was on the ground. It should be on the shelf. All right, Miss Jigglytits, calm down. Shopping as a goose. I thought I'd just bring the basket around and it would count as shopping. Do I have to put stuff in the basket?
Oh, no.
Because that's hard. Tomato. I'm going to make pizza. Lemons. I'm going to make a lemon pizza. Carrots. I'm going to make a carrot pizza. Does this count as shopping? Hello, ma'am? Do you have any discounts, like 2 for 1? Is there any prices off anything? Ma'am? Ma'am, this sucks. Your store's terrible. Billy, you go buy something from her. See if she'll actually let you. She wouldn't let me buy anything. He's like, hey, this is my plane. How did you get my plane? And she's like, that belonged on the shelf. That's actually my plane. He's like, no, it's not. She's like, $14.95. Give me money, and I'll let you get your plane back. That's mine, you little shit. But please, I want it. Money. Fine. Here's a pack of condoms. My master plan. Trap the shopkeeper in the garage. Ooh.
Ooh.
Ooh, but how do I... Oh, she's going to the garage now. Sorry, my bad.
Oh.
Oh. Wait, if I put a leak in it...
Ah, I get it.
Ma'am, come quickly! Your garage is leaking! Mine. You can't has mine! Stop scaring me away! Let me be loved! I'm a goose! Here she comes, she's gonna do it. She's gonna do it.
Oh no!
My plan for world domination comes soon, brothers! You'll be free when my brothers are free! You'll be free when you liberate the geese from the south! Oh, damn it, stupid opposable thumbs and human brains! Well, peace, I'm out. A new journey today starts for the goose people, and we will rise together and liberate them and free them for all of goose kind. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to leave it a HONK. if you liked it, and I'll see you in the next one. I'm Goose!
Oh my gosh, that was so funny. So that was Honk Honk and Goose. Now I'm doing the Yonk Yonk. That was so funny. I never thought that like a game about a goose could be that funny, but Jack makes it like 10 times funnier, and he makes it so much more fun to like actually watch. So hopefully you guys liked that video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe down below. If there's any other videos you guys want me to watch, it looks like he made a second one. If you guys want me to watch that one, let me know down in the comment sections below, okay? And if there's any other games you want me to play, like I know I think what was her name, Little Misfortune. I think or it was just Misfortune or something like that. I think that came out in a full release. I'm also looking at Night in the Woods and a couple other games and stuff like that. If you guys want me to play any games or anything like that, or there's any videos you want me to react to, let me know down in the comment sections below, okay? And hopefully you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will see you all later. Stay sunny, everybody.